Here's how to use the touch-free wave. For chilled water, hold your hand straight and close to the chilled sensor. The blue LED will turn on and chilled water will be dispensed. For sparkling water, hold your hand above the sparkling sensor. The white LED will turn on and sparkling water will be dispensed. For boiling water, cup your hand so that it covers the boiling and lock sensor. The red LED will turn on and boiling water will be dispensed. If at any time a red LED flashes on the tap, your hand is too close to the touch-free wave. Remove your hand and try again. Bottle fill is available for chilled and sparkling water by cupping your hand to also cover the lock sensor. For chilled water, the blue LED will slowly pulse to show bottle fill mode has been activated. For sparkling, the white LED will slowly pulse to show bottle fill has been activated. To stop the water flow on bottle fill mode, pause your hand above any of the sensors for a second and the flow will stop.